Windows insert key anti-functionality accidentally triggers, how to stop it permanently? We all use editing facilities to change a line of text as we are entering it. There are two principal editing modes within a line: A. Insert mode, which inserts non-editing characters at the point of the cursor, and shuffles text to the right, and B. Overwrite mode, in which non-editing characters simply overwrite whatever character the cursor selects. Overwrite mode MHO is left from the days of green screen CRTS. The only use I have ever found for it is drawing 2D pictures in ASCII, which I quit doing back in the 80s when real drawing tools became available. Windows, stupidly MHO, offers overwrite mode toggle enabled by use of the insert key on the keyboard. I'd guess Linux/Unix likely follow suit in the usual Windows envy. I don't ever hit that button because it just puts me in overwrite mode. However, as I'm typing, sometimes overwrite mode suddenly happens. I think it must be some strange combination of Alt/Windows/Control/Shift and some other key, or two standard keys depressed in time nearby. Does anybody know what the alternate key sequence is so I can try harder to avoid it? Is there a way to tell Windows to simply stop using overwrite mode?
How to disable the insert key in Windows. Almost anyone who has used a word processor has accidentally hit the insert key and overwritten when they thought they were editing. This article describes a simple way to disable the insert key on your keyboard. Whenever you press a key, a Windows message is created, which contains a key code that uniquely identifies the key pressed. Programs, like Microsoft Word, look for key press messages and take actions based on the key code in the message. By mapping the insert key press event to null, Windows send a message containing null for the key code when the insert key is pressed. Programs receiving the message, therefore, do not perform the action associated with an insert key press event, freeing you from having to worry about overwriting things again. Go to Start Run Regedit. Go to hkmn/system/current control set/control/keyboard layout. Right-click on the right half of the screen and choose New Binary Value. Name the new value scan code map. Enter 0000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000 Optional, you can take the insert key off of your keyboard when done. If you do this with Windows 7 Regedit, you have to enter the hex value in rows of 8 bytes, like this. Source: registry file .reg, to apply the fix as described above. Put the above text into a file with a reg extension, for example disable insert.reg, and double-click. The 0 key on the numeric keypad becomes insert when num lock is off. When you type something in an MS-DOS application and go back to the middle of the phrase and press Tab, you switch to overwrite mode.
Just figured this one out. Shift+0 on the numeric keypad. I guess I must accidentally tag it while speed typing often enough. Has been throwing me for a long time. While my addition above may be helpful to some, that wasn't my problem. Anyone stumbling here, if this happens pretty much no matter what app you may be in, i.e., not solely to do with editing in MS Word, save yourself the aggravation of searching to the end of the internet like I have. Edit. My personal definitive conclusion is that there is no other magic key combo for toggling insert overwrite, period. So therefore the only remaining possibility is that in the course of rapid typing, either due to an imperfect sloppy stroke combo or a bounce on the keyboard aiding in such, an unexpected encoding is generated that happens to always trigger in/off toggle. I gather from my personal research that it is more likely due to a keyboard/hardware flaw than a software flaw. If it was a software flaw, I think we'd see more posting on the net about it. I am going to finally try the regedit suggestion posted, and simply try to get over it now.
Use sharp keys to map insert to turn key off.
This disables the key and is easier and safer than doing the registry hacks yourself.
Sharp keys is old, it's designed for Windows 7, but still works on Windows 10.
Overwrite to 6%